Hello friends, welcome back again in Parasnath Infotech and Education Center. Today we are going to discuss how to create drop down. In this session, we will be going to discuss three type of drop down, that is simple drop down, dynamic drop down and referencing drop down. For this, we open the Microsoft Excel, and for simple drop down, let's assume I have two products, that is fruit and vegetable. I'll select it to cell, and wherever you want to insert the drop down, please select that cell, go to the data, that's validation, list, and write down the name. That's a fruits, vegetable, look, this is fruits, this is vegetable. Another way to create the simple drop down, that is go to the validation tab, and shortcut of validation tool is Alt D L. This is a list and this is my source data. I have already created the master. Look, this is a way how you can create a simple drop down. Now we are going to discuss how to create dynamic drop down. We remove the previous drop down, clear all, to create the dynamic drop down. We have to define the, now I have created a master. They have to create the master like this. For example, I have the product, that is fruits and vegetable. Under the fruits I have the apple, orange, grapes. Under the vegetable I have tomato, capsicum, chili. Under the apple I have the different type of the apple. Under the orange I have a different type of orange, like that. Under the chili I have a different type of the chili. To create the dynamic drop down, I have to create the name, that is I have to define the name. And to define the name, I am going to select all the range. It will help me to add the products, that is many more product in these columns. And for the range I am going to give the name, it's the product. This is the products, and you can define the other name also. I am going to show you only on the product. Select the range where you want to insert the drop down. Now LDL, it's a shortcut of the data validations tool. This is a list, and now in place of the noting down the name of the product or selecting the range, I am going to hit down the F3. It's a product. This is a product, enter. Look, this is my fruits, this is my vegetables. This is a way how you can create the dynamic drop down. Friends, after creating the simple drop down and dynamic drop down, we are going to create referencing drop down. Referencing drop down means on the basis of product we create the group, and on the basis of group we create item. For this we need the master data. This is my master data which I have already created, and now we have to create the range. That is, we have to define the name, that is what will be the column name, A, B, C, D, E, F, like that. And previously we have discussed, and we have also created the one name, that is a product. We can check that name. Let's say control F3. Look, this is the product. Now I'm going to delete all this. I should delete. Now I'm going to show you how to create the range of the name, that is a select the range, that is a column A to column I, and this is the create from the selections, that is data formula, and create from the selections. Now creates, pick the top row and please check, control F3. That's a name manager. Look, all the column name has been defined. Now we use this in order to create referencing drop down, and you know, shortcut of the data validation, that is a Alt DL. This is my list and this is my product. This is my product. Now okay, look, it's a vegetable and process. On the basis of this, we create the group. This is my RDL. This is a list, and now the referencing formula is indirect. That is indirect, and give a reference. And this is my cell reference. Look, now I'm going to create the item on the basis of group. That's Alt DL. This is my list. This is my indirect. Parenthesis start. This is my cell, and this is the okay. Oh, look, just check. It's my vegetable. This is a tomato. This is my tomato local. This is my fruits. It's a apple. It's a now it's apple green is like that. It's a one second. It's a vegetable. It's like a capsicum. It's a green like that. It's a fruits. It's orange. It's a nagpur. This was the way how you can create referencing drop downs. Friends, if you think this video is very informative or useful to you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also don't forget to press the bell as well. Thank you so much.